A and B walk from P to Q, a distance of 21 kilometers, at 3 kilometers and 4 kilometers per hour. B reaches Q and immediately returns to meet A at R. Find the distance from P to R. Now, the distance PQ is equal to 21 kilometers. A and B walk from P to Q. So both A and B are starting from P. A is going at 3 kilometers per hour and B is going at 4 kilometers per hour. So obviously, B is more. B will reach Q first. Now that's what is given. B reaches Q and immediately returns to meet A at R. So B reaches Q and immediately starts returning to Q. And in between, let's say over here, B meets A again. Let's name this point as R. We have to find out the distance from P to R. So let's assume the distance P to R as X kilometers. Now the total distance from P to Q is 21 kilometers. So therefore, RQ will be 21 minus X. Now we can see that they have started together and they're meeting at point R. That means time will be equal for A and B. Now the general formula for time is equal to distance upon speed. Now A has traveled only distance PR. So time of A is equal to time of B. Now distance covered by A is just PR, that means X, and speed of A is 3. So X upon 3 is equal to, now B has first of all covered distance PQ, that means 21 kilometers, and then he has covered the distance QR as well. Now QR is 21 minus X. So the total distance covered by B will be 21 plus 21 minus X. And the speed of B is 4. So this will be our equation. So now let's cross multiply. So it becomes 4x is equal to, now 21 plus 22, 21, that is 42 multiplied by 3, that is 126 minus 3x. So therefore x comes out as 7x comes out as 126. So solving this further, we get x is equal to 18. So distance PR is equal to 18 kilometers.